What's up guys, it's me, MT Graph here. So I finally finished the event and this is how it looks. You had to do all 10 quests and my least favorite part is like the spoiler here. Like when I put the spoiler, it doesn't look good, like my opinion. But I had fun doing it. I think it took me 1 hour to finish, and probably I'll make a video on how to. Actually, never mind. I'm not, cause I don't feel doing that. I don't like doing tutorial videos anymore. So I'll be doing some VR later, and so yeah. So thank you for watching this short video, and goodbye.